Hello everyone, myself Vedant, and today is October 29th. So let's analyze today's crypto markets and see what's happening right now. So as we discussed yesterday, Bitcoin was on a supply zone and we planned up a trade right here and it's going completely in my favor. Let's see in smaller time frame. On early time frame, it's just forming a double top pattern as I can see. It's a double top and it's a good indication for the reversal patterns and it should be going down only right for now. So for now, no bias in the Bitcoin and just sells on this level and we will be targeting somewhat like this level or this level. Let's see how market would react at these levels, and same goes with the Ethereum. We planned a right trade right here. And let me show you the daily candle for Bitcoin firstly. Daily candle for Bitcoin is also closing really bearish. So it's also good indication for the reversal from right here is acting up a good supply zone. And same goes with the Ethereum, as Ethereum follows Bitcoin only. And so it's second bearish candle and it's crazy big candle to be closed right now in the few minutes. Okay, so for 4 hour time frame, it's just mm, we took we planned trade right here, same with as Bitcoin, and it's crazily moving in our favor right now. And on early time frame, as I could see, it's forming a double top pattern, and after that only we planned up a trade, and it's crazily moving downside. So for now, only sells, no buys for now. And Bitcoin as well. Let me see. So in Bitcoin as well, if it sustains below this level, it's a total sell for now. And above this would be we would be considering it as a bullish, but below our stop loss range, it's totally bearish, and we would be looking for sell on rise, and on early time frame you could plan out the selling trades right here if you see any bearish formation or pattern right there. So for Ethereum and Bitcoin, it's a total sell right now and doing good in our favor, right, as you can see. So that's all for these both. Let's head off to a new point. We would be looking at XRP. XRP is also bullish in the meantime, but right now it's consolidating right here in this range, and it just took the previous liquidity below the major liquidity, and also also the upside liquidity as well. So it's totally consolidating or manipulating phase. So let's head on to the daily time frame, as daily time frame indicating bullish till right here, but it failed to sustain this level and broke this support zones, supply zones, demand zones, everything, and just consolidating right here in the middle of somewhere. So if we see, it's kinda bearish right now in the daily time frame. As let me show you, it just broke this level twice and just then broke massively. And afterwards, for now, in daily time frame, it's just this area is a supply zone which acted really well. This range acted really well, and for now, below this range, it would be a sell. Okay, so let's get down to the 4 hourly time frame. So it was a massive move. Everyone knows that was really a bad day for every crypto guys. So in 4 hours, this liquidity it's just swept right here and just consolidating. Sorry, it's just consolidating right here. So on the liquidity concept, if we could have planned the trade right here for Ethereum or for XRP, sorry, but would have took a stop loss right there instantly after the entry right there, and if we could plan re-entry right there in the same price, it would again took a stop loss right here. So it's totally in a consolidation phase. We will be seeing if it could sustain above or below this level. After that, after then, we would be planning something. And this, right, so it's right here, it's liquidity right here. This is something supply zone right here. And we could say this as well as a supply zone. And it's the last bullish candle closed before this massive move. And this is a consolidation, so no trade for XRPs. So, and let's head off to another coin, it's Bitcoin. Oh, Binance coin, BNB. So it's similar to Bitcoin. So it's, it's massively rallying upside. So it took its this highs and then continuously rising up and up on the weekly time frame. So it's the total buys, and this is a total rally we all missed right now. And go what's let's see what's happening next right here. And for on daily time frame, there's not much to say. This is the all-time high right here, and this is the last liquidity it's swept because of that massive move right there as well. Let's see on the 4 hourly time frame. 4 hourly time frame, it's just this last I swept. This is the remains it's failed to sustain above, and this that calls for a supply zone right here, and this is also acting as a supply zone right here, and it's on a ranging wedge. Right now, BNB is ranging as it gave a massive rally, and we would be staying calm and seeing what happens next. So if we remove this range and see this as a demand zone, so we mark it up as demand zone. Now let's see if price respects this demand zone or closes below this and have this liquidity area right here, or just continues its rally upside there. So on BNB as well, there's nothing much. It's completely bullish. I can't sell on these weak supply zones right there. And let's head off to hourly time frame if we could see anything. So on hourly time frame, if we adjust these, okay, so yeah, adjust these, yes, so to this one supply zone. This was a reversal right here, and it's completely ranging, no trades, nothing to see right here. So this is the range right here and the BNB right now, and it's a no trading zone for me. Let's see if we could plan some trades right there. So on this level and failed to sustain above this, and again gave a massive breakout and then again reversed back. So it's a bearish indication on the hourly time frame completely. And previously as well, it did the same scenario and just gave a small pullback right there, and again it's gave a, this time it gave a good selling, but it's completely consolidation phase, so we can't sell right here or anywhere. So it's keep watching. So so next a good coin, it's the Solana. Solana, let's head off on the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, it's completely bullish and also on some important levels. So for now, on the weekly time frame, it just swept the below liquidity and just gave massive upside moves and now consolidating right here. Also upside, it went above this level but failed to sustain above this level and reversed back and took the below liquidity, and that's for the daily time frame, and it's bullish on the daily time frame right now. So the day on the daily time frame, this will be the last level for the buying. Below this, we could be considering it as a sell. Right now, no trade on the daily time frame as well. If we could just mark these suppliers one where it failed and just tap this level right again right there, and also form a kind of a double top pattern. If it will show you guys right, this was a double top pattern and it gave a massive move right there. Again right here it made a triple top pattern. It's way better than double top, and it also gave really massive move. And on 4 hourly time frame, it's bearish as it tapped the supply zone and got bearish. I think we could have got this trade, and again let's see for the supply zones. This was again a double top pattern if we could see, and right now it's tapping the supply zone. I can just tap the supply zone and again going down right there. But there's a buy level as well right here, so we won't be selling right here. So it's also in a watching zone right there. It's a buying zone, it's a selling zone, so it's a consolidation phase right there with this as well. On 4 hourly time frame, it's just consolidating to bearish, and on the daily time frame it's bullish, and on, let's head off to hourly time frame. Hourly time frame, it's just hourly time frame. Hourly time frame, it went bullish a bit and then just now it just broke this level, support level, and this it just took this area's liquidity. Let's see how it would react to this. If it sustained above this, it would be a bullish, and if it's reverses and break this range as it took liquidity off, it would be looking for a bearish move right there. But no trade right now on the Solana. Okay, let's head off to Dogecoin. Dogecoin was also completely extremely bullish in 2021, and again gave a extreme That was an explosive move after the Trump came into power in November, and went back after he got into position and fell somewhat right there. So that's on the daily time frame. We see weekly. Okay, nothing to see on weekly ones. So daily time frame, it was just selling. So this was the major zone. It's forming. It just tried to break this level, but failed to sustain above this. So it reversed and gave a massive explosive move right here. And when every point bleeded, this also had a sell. So on daily time frame, it just took this liquidity right here and also above liquidity also grabbed right here. So for now only this is left to be seen, and this could be marked as the next supply zone. And the major supply zone is right here, and this is the all-time high, but I guess this is the all-time high, and this is the previous high we met. So let's mark it up like this. Okay, so that's the daily time frame we had on Dogecoin. So Dogecoin is bearish, so let's see. It's completely sideways, as you can see. It's building up for a good massive move upside or downside, whatever it will be doing. Let's wait and watch. As let me mark these levels. It's completely in a sideways position, and let's head off to hourly time frame. Let's see, but it's also not much. It just swept this level and just coming up on selling right there. So it was just maybe just the same time where we would have sold it and book some profits right here. Okay, so this is also liquidity sweep we could have captured. So right now I got hourly time frame. These are the major liquidity zones, and it's just the price is shrinking right in this range. Right in this range, it's just shrinking. And let's see what's happening next. It will go down or up, but as the crypto markets are bearish right now, I assume it to be crossing this range and coming up nearly right here. And let's see what's happening next. But right now, it's just totally bearish on the hourly time frame. So we'll manage close. This is the last where we could have sold this or this level. This will go best range. So that's all for today. We kept we analyzed, I guess, 5 coins: Doge, Solana, BNB, XRP, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. So there are 5 fixed coins we analyzed today. Also Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, BNB, Solana, and Doge. So these 6 coins we are done with, and we are left with these 5 coins. We will be completing it up right tomorrow. And as I told you guys, this is it. It's completely bearish right now. All the markets are for early, daily, and hourly time frame. So don't look for bias right now in any of the scenario, and don't just get stopped out in these kind of ranging markets. So that's all for today. Thanks you so much for watching. I hope you liked it. Follow me on Instagram and subscribe to the channel for more these analysis videos.